I'm going to show you guys how to fill out a Sherpa work order and where to find that information. So if you have the first two tabs open on your laptop, you have your map open as well as your Newton Conover City Schools. If you click on that tab, you'll navigate to the Departments tab at the top in the black bar. Scroll all the way down until you get to the Technology tab. When you click on the Technology tab, on the right side of the screen in the red box, you will see Sherpa Work Order. When you click on the Sherpa Work Order, the screen will change and you will see here it says link to submit a technology work order. You will click this link that says NCCS Sherpa Desk. This information right here is incredibly important. It helps our tech guys know exactly what the issue is. So please make sure that you're including your first and last name and the room number or specific location, and then make sure you're putting the device serial number and then the exact issue. You can also abbreviate it here, but it helps if you put the issue in the title of the work order, and I'll show you what that looks like. So when I click on the link, it's going to open this up. Now I am already logged in. You guys, let me log out so you guys can see what this looks like. Yours will look like this. There is some things here that you may be able to look at, so it will actually be able to answer some of your questions. But most of you are probably going to be putting in a specific work order for a piece of technology that is not working. So if you click Login and you log back in, it is your school email and your school email password. Okay, you are going to the tab that says create a new ticket. It's going to ask you who the end user is, and typically if you are the one putting it in, you will be able to hit me and it'll populate there, and your internal location should automatically populate. This class button, when you click on it, is going to ask you which one of these areas do you need help with. The majority of you are going to need help with a technology concern. A new tab will open. It's going to ask you specifically, what are you having trouble with? Are you having trouble with your account, Active Directory, the connectivity, meaning network issues? Are you having an issue with the physical device? Or is there something on with your printer? Is there a software that you would like to have whitelisted? These are the areas where you're going to focus. If it's a hardware issue, when you click on hardware, another tab will open and it's going to ask you what you're having an issue with. Okay, so you can click if it's a projector. If not, if it's something other, then click other, and it's going to ask you what other device you're having issue with. I clicked on my laptop. What you are going to do here is you're going to put your name, you're going to put the room number, you're going to put the device serial number, and then I always put what the issue is. And I will oftentimes copy this and put it directly down in the box. And then if I need to explain more, I will. I will also, if I have a picture, I will drag that picture here and then I will hit save. I don't want to stress Peter out with a non-existent issue, so I'm not going to hit save, but you will get a ticket number once you have hit save. Okay. If you have questions, email me, Google Hangout me. I'll be glad to respond.